Hello and welcome back to Auto Care Secret. You're driving along, everything's fine, and then damn. The battery light pops up on your dashboard. Instant panic, right? Does this mean your battery is dying, or could it be something else entirely? Today, we're going to break down the top 6 causes for that illuminated battery warning light. You'll see that it's often more than just a bad battery. 6 reasons your battery light is on. Number 1, the failing alternator. This is the most common culprit. The alternator is essentially your car's mini power plant. Its job is to charge the battery while you're driving and run your car's electrical systems. If it fails, your car is running on borrowed time only on the power stored in the battery. Once that stored power is depleted, you'll be stranded. While some cars have a dedicated alternator warning, in most cases, a failing alternator triggers the standard battery light. Number 2, a faulty voltage regulator. If the voltage regulator isn't working correctly, it can be just as bad as a failing alternator. Its job is to ensure the alternator sends the right amount of power. If it starts overcharging the battery, it can damage it over time. You might even notice odd electrical behavior like flickering or dim headlights. This regulator is typically part of or attached to the alternator, though you might find it on the firewall in older vehicles. Number 3, a bad serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is key to the whole operation. It spins the alternator, allowing it to charge your battery. If this belt snaps, slips, or is too loose, the alternator can't do its job, and you end up with a weak, uncharged battery. Number 4, loose or corroded battery terminals. A surprisingly simple problem with big consequences. If your battery terminals are heavily corroded or the connections are loose, the power being generated by the alternator can't actually reach and charge the battery. Your engine control module ECM senses that the battery isn't getting the juice it needs, interprets it as a charging system failure, and turns on that battery light. Number 5, a faulty battery. While not the only cause, the battery itself can certainly be the issue. As a battery gets old, it loses its ability to hold a charge effectively. This forces the alternator to work much harder than it should to keep the whole system running. This constant strain causes the overall system voltage to drop, which the ECM detects, triggering the battery light to alert you to a problem. Number 6, wiring or fuse issues. This is the least common cause, but still possible. If there's a short in the wiring or a blown fuse connecting the alternator, battery, or ECU, the entire charging system can be compromised. If the system can't communicate or function correctly due to a wiring issue, the battery light will switch on. What to do when the light comes on? If you see that battery light while you're driving, here's the most important advice. Don't wait. Turn off all non-essentials, immediately turn off anything that drains power. That means the AC, the radio, heated seats, anything that isn't absolutely necessary for driving. Your goal is to preserve as much battery life as possible. Drive straight home or to a repair shop. Head directly to your destination or a trusted mechanic. Once your battery dies, your engine will die with it, and you will end up stuck in the middle of the road. We hope this video gave you some value and a lot of confidence. The next time that little light pops up, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Auto Care Secret for more essential car maintenance tips. We'll see you next time.